Hi, Miss Cherimy Estela. Can you tell me about yourself, ma'am?
Yes, I am Cherimy Balocan Estela. I am 34 years old. I live in Bakpurok and Ginaldo Balongating, Gipo, Zamboanga del Sur. I am married but separated.
Do you have kids, ma'am?
Yes, I have one daughter. She's 14 years old.
How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
We have 6 siblings. I am the elder one and I am only one girl also.
Can you tell me about your educational background, ma'am?
I am graduated the high school graduate.
So, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have work experience abroad 5 years and 6 months in Kuwait.
Is that a finished contract, ma'am?
Yes, 2 contracts.
So, can you tell me your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper in Kuwait, ma'am?
I do clean house, wash clothes and iron clothes and send the baby to school and take care of the old newborn baby.
How would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I am honest, responsible and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo in your body, ma'am?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
To provide the needs of my family and also to my daughter.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, like.
So, can you give me your idea? How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will show them that I care for them by playing with them and to be a good friend with them.
So, what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
To my future employer, I will promise to do my best and to be a good worker and can assure that I am a multitasking and willing to learn everything.
Alright. Is that all, ma'am?
Yes, thank you very much.
Alright. Thank you so much, ma'am.